Hello and welcome. Let us discuss this question that came in the year 2019 and is related to the topic pollution. Now, the question is, consider the following: number 1, carbon monoxide; number 2, methane; number 3, ozone; and number 4, sulfur dioxide. Which of the above are released into atmosphere due to the burning of crop biomass residue? Now, as far as crop biomass residue burning is concerned, so immediately after the harvesting of crops, the stubble that is left in the field is burned for stubble burning for next crop to be grown within a period of 10 to 15 days. Also, this is the easiest way of disposal of crop biomass. Okay, so that's why this process is adopted. As far as disposal is concerned, in case of biomass burning, various compounds are released or various pollutants are released, including sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, black carbon, organic carbon, volatile organic compounds, and ozone as well. So all these compounds can be released because of burning of crop residue or biomass residue. So biomass co-firing has been suggested. Biomass co-firing, that is, this residue or biomass can be burnt in along with coal to generate electricity or thermal energy. Along with coal, this can be used for electricity or thermal power generation. So biomass co-firing can be an effective way as far as this burning of crop residue is concerned. Instead of directly burning it and converting it into waste, we can convert this waste into electric or waste to energy by using waste to energy technology. So one question was there related to pyrolysis and plasma gasification. So by these processes, we can convert biomass residue into energy. So waste can be converted into energy. So answer for this question will be D 1, 2, 3 and 4. Thank you.